turning on my own video camera at the same time. I'm recording with two cameras right now.
This is nearly full of honey.
So you'll be taking this out to get the honey out now?
Well, we'll be adding more boxes onto the top because they've got this pretty near filled.
And is the state of the hive okay as far as?
Looks good. Populations are down a little bit because they swarmed, but I think there's still plenty of bees in here.
What are other local beekeepers reporting about their hives?
Lots and lots of honey coming in right now.
So they're satisfied with the season so far?
This has only been on, Natalie, do you remember when we put this on? 2 weeks ago? And we have capped honey. This is almost ready to harvest. This one here, not so much on this side. This side is not yet ready to harvest.
Does a good hive bode well for a bountiful garden for us?
It's good anytime you have a beehive close by the garden. It's good for pollination, and you'll have a better garden.
And that's partly why that hive is where it is, correct?
Yes. This is completely capped over and ready to harvest. So
when are you going to do that then?
Well, we're kind of, we got a little bit of honey still in jars, but not too much. We'll probably let this go another week and then they'll finish it off and get it all capped off for us. But we'll try to get another box on here tomorrow, I think.
Why?
So that will give them room to expand and put in more.
The screen on yours has gone blank.
Okay.
What does that mean?
I'm not sure.
I'm going to finish with mine. Put yours in my pocket. This is June 12th, 2011. John and I have spent a fair amount of time in the garden this weekend, at times together, at times separately. They're tending to the hive. John and Natalie have been to a meeting of the Beekeepers Club this afternoon. And are now headed back to Earth. You checked that pretty carefully?
We usually do before we take our hoods off.
Seems a sensible policy. That's John and Natalie's house that I'm zooming in on now.
That was, I would say probably...
That's where they hang out in the morning sun. Peterson's, the last family, put in that swing set. Probably 18 or 20 years ago. Still holding up well. Well, that's the way it is. I planted morning glories around the fence this morning. I finished the fence yesterday and went to Klinger's Farm Market and bought 40-some marigold, or no, morning glories, and planted them along the fence. If conditions favor us, we should end up with a hedge of morning glories with the wire mostly hidden. We'll see how that turns out. I'll turn this off now. 5:30, June 12th, 2011, waiting for Will to go home to fix spaghetti carbonara for us tonight, and then Will and I are going to watch Game 6 of the NBA Finals. Great series. Over and out.